This is Mike Olden, 404-379-7352. Going to take you around an amazing walk around on this, your next truck. On an Isuzu crew cab or standard cab, a 14-foot dump body with a cross box. Benefit to you is you can move your product, heavy duty sand or otherwise, with this unit. On the front side of it, we have a cross box. The cross box is a 24-inch, one shelf width with sealable handles. The sealable handle pulls the door shut, making sure we eliminate as much moisture as possible when you're on the road. Up underneath, I've got the fuel station. The fuel station is a 15-gallon and a 25-gallon tank system, which allows you to be on the road more often. Our 14-foot dump body features a wheelbarrow rack with a manual tarp. The wheelbarrow rack allows you to bring your product up onto this dump body when it's a little bit further away. On the underside, we have the 8-ton hoist at 16,000 pounds of lifting capacity. Our sides are 36 inches. Fold down on both sides with a barn door at the rear. Underneath, we've got the tow package. When you need to pull something, you'd be surprised at the power that you'll find inside the Isuzu powertrain, be it gas or diesel. On the passenger side, I fold down the side so you can see the easy access you would have for loading any product on either side of the truck. Up at the front, we have a shovel and rake rack. That way you can stow your cleanable product as you go. On the underside for your specialty tools, a 36-inch undermount box. Sometimes you just need a little bit extra space, but again, this is a 96-inch wide, 24 inches deep, 50-inch tall body. I look forward to making your needs happen and making sure I earn your business the right way. Give Mike Olden a call, 404-379-7352, or shoot me an email, yourfleettruck@gmail.com. Thank you.